Hey y'all, it's Monique with TexasGalStudio coming to you with a little fountain video. So we purchased this a while ago from my mother's neighbor and she no longer needed it. So it was like a burgundy color and I ended up just spray painting it. Whatever spray paints I had because I just barely took on the project. And so I had black and I had gray, but I didn't have enough gray. So on the gray I had to really just use it sparsely here and there, so it almost looks like concrete, but it is not concrete at all. And I think it's missing stuff to make it into a fountain, so I won't make it into a fountain this year, but I will be turning it into a container. So I'll be using some of the plants that I got from Mother's Day. My husband purchased several, and then I went yesterday to Tractor Supply and Home Depot and found some plants and some other goodies. Like I found these gloves. I'm going to be using my new gloves. My husband bought me this and tucked it into a, I'll see if I'll be able to put a picture up of the stuff he bought me for Mother's Day. But he used this as to raise the stuff that he put inside a container, and it's a red raised bed soil. So I'm going to be putting that on in here. And then I just got this one from Home Depot yesterday just in case I need more. This is one of the ones he bought at Walmart for me for Mother's Day that he put in a big container. So that's $2.97, and I don't even know what they're called. Vinca vine. And then the others that he bought me were these little flowers. So these are called Vinca. Is that correct? Oh, annuals. Yeah, Vinca. Yeah, that's all it says. $2.68 for 4 little flowers there. And then I found these at Home Depot, which was the proven winners. They keep falling everywhere. Diamond Snow Euphoria. That's these little flowers. This one right here called Super Blue Lily Turf. And then the last one is this Trailing Dwarf Periwinkle Trailing. So that one has like a purple flower. So let me get my camera set up so I can start recording myself set up this fountain. It's super cute. Obviously it's all in its first stages. Everything's so small. I hope within a couple of months everything grows. Obviously it's going to be trailing down. I'm hoping that does work out. Up here it's not so deep, so I'm hoping the roots can actually follow the the soil. I don't know, I've never done this before, so let's hope this works. So I put a little flower here, which I intended to put another one there, but I couldn't because there's lots of roots going this way, which I wanted to flow that way. So I didn't really want to bother this, and I wanted to have enough room to grow nicely, so I left that like that. I ended up bringing the flowers down here instead, right there, and then I ended up putting another one here. So obviously this part is super deep and it's fine, so it looks super pretty. It worked out. This one looks super nice. So I'm thinking over here what I'm going to do is probably look for a statue of some sort, or if I have to put a platform here I will, but for the meantime I'm going to search online, see what I find. But I think it came out really good. So again, I used raised bed soil. I used the entire package, and good thing I had an extra potting mix, which I used half, so it took 1.5 little bags there of that. I did not put this plant because it was too much. It's really huge. I'm going to use that in the front landscape. I have a perfect spot for that. So it's starting to rain here. I will be back with another video. I hope you guys like this and get inspired. Y'all be safe, stay strong. Talk to y'all later. Bye.